Payphone is such a good song. I was just vibing to my music and look what happened to my phone. F me, I hope it's not cracked. If it's broken, I'm gonna wrap my motorcycle around a tree.
No! Yeah! What the f*** happened? What the f***? You gotta be kidding me, dude! The back crack. Let me check the damage. No! You gotta be kidding me! What the f***, dude? Oh my god, man. Oh my god, I'm gonna f*** myself.
That was bullshit. Well, I'm gonna go touch myself.